Folks, we're back with projects. Come on over, check it out, see what's going on at my take on home and garden. Now last year we did a temporary makeover on the loft. This year, by direct orders of Miss Angela, we are advancing our makeover to include redoing the flooring. Okay, the carpet in here in the hallway is 16 years old. So it's done and we're done. After kids here for 12 years and over, it's had it. So come check it out with me. Let's take a look at the project I'm talking about today. It includes the whole entire hallway, removing the carpet, this is all coming out, and I've been tracking dust and parts and pieces and material and dirt, so don't be offended by things all over the floor. It's getting taken out, as you can see, cut out, piece at a time, and I rolled it up, tape it, put it outside, and we have a dumpster coming to do a spring clean out and get rid of all of this for us tomorrow. So here's what's going on. Here's what I'm left with. Now we have 2 3/4 inch flooring, sheets of flooring. I've got to take up this carpet tack strip that goes all the way around, as you know, to hold your carpet. Then I'm going over this floor with what they call a luan. You see, even the knots are filled in. This makes a nice smooth floor for the new flooring, what we're going to put on, which is either vinyl plank flooring or wood. The prices are so ridiculous now. It may be vinyl. It's the best price I can get. But we've got quite a bit to do. So let me get some more done and I'll show you that.
All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, no, no.
Okay guys, let's do a runway shot of what we got done today. So guys, that's what's going on today. If you liked that quick what's going on with us today video, give us a like, a share, a comment, send a friend over. You know we got fun coming soon. We got another gifts and a haul. And believe it or not, it's time for February's birthday, folks, at the 5-seater table. Coming soon. Take it easy, everybody, and we'll see you in the next amazing, awesome decorator and collector, construction dude, worker dude video.